Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Today we're going to use our Presto Pizzazz rotating pizza cooker to cook a really cool pizza. This is the DIGIORNO Croissant Crust Pepperoni Pizza. We have never made a croissant crust pizza before. I don't even know if I've ever had one. And actually, I have never even heard of them. I was at Kroger and I had just picked up those two screaming Sicilian pizzas and I saw this croissant crust pizza right, next to it on the shelf. I says, that's kind of weird. We need to try this. And then I got permission and then she let me buy it and now we have it. Beans, I'm making a video. Hush. So we look on the box and it says 25 to 27 minutes to cook this in a conventional oven. But we're not conventional people, right? So this is one of those longer cooking pizzas. It doesn't appear to be overly thick, but since I think the crust is going to rise and flake up, it's going to take longer. So I'm going to start out at between 10 and 12-ish, using the bottom element only. Remember, I like to use the bottom element to start things off because I want the bottom of the pizza to be crispy without burning the top. And then I'm going to wing it on over to about 16-ish on the dual element after we've cooked the bottom. And then when it's all done, we'll take a look and we'll see if we need to cook it some more. Because I am in uncharted waters right now. Never cooked a croissant, that is French, a croissant pizza. Never cooked that in any method, let alone using the Presto Pizzazz pizza cooker. But I have high hopes this will turn out very well. It's very interesting how the crust rose up and I was starting to sweat it a little bit. I was thinking it was going to rise so high that it was going to touch the upper heating element. You might think I'm exaggerating, but I'm not. When you watch the video, this looks really good. It smells really good. I can't wait to get into it. All right, so the first thing you can tell is that the crust laid back down. It's not big, giant, and fluffy anymore. I don't know if that's supposed to be that way or by design or if it just happened that way. All right, what do you think? Have you had this pizza before? Have you ever heard of a pizza like this? A croissant, it is French, a croissant pizza. Then all night after you eat this, you walk around the house dogging like Pepe Le Pew. Yeah. So there is that benefit to eating a croissant pizza. And then you can have it for breakfast because everybody eats croissants for breakfast in France, right? So, yeah, pizza for breakfast, yeah. The bottom looks good and crispy. And the taste, this is a good taste in pizza. Is it my favorite? No. Will I get it again? Yes. And this was great. We will be making more of these. I'm sure they come in other flavors. Really, I have no idea. But I hope they come in some other flavors. And yeah, this is a good pizza. All right, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching. Beans, hush, I'm making a video. All right, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.